everyone, it's Jeremy from Trading Safely, just doing our weekly analysis on gold for the week ahead. First of all, let's just see where it closed on Friday. So the settlement price was 1227.5 for the week, so it was up on the week. We had a bounce off our monthly bearish pivot here. For anyone that's new, I'll just run through the chart. So the yellow line here is weekly support and resistance. The pink is monthly support and resistance. Brown down here is quarterly. So in this instance here, we have a brown and quarterly support. So that's a monthly and quarterly support, 1152. That's the major level for us at the downside at the moment. Happens to coincide with a bearish quarterly pivot as well. That's underlying that pink line there. So 1152 is a pretty important area. As for this week, we still remain below last month's close, which is at 1241.4. And while we're there, the market will remain weak. The actual settlement price that we saw just here was 1227.5. That was under this weekly closing resistance of 1227.8. So that means that the weight for gold is still down. To reverse our position in the short term, we'd need to see the market back above this 1241.7 monthly closing area. And that corresponds with the volume profile to open up higher. Really, the initial targets to the upside for the bullish scenario are this 1269.5 and 1279 area. Certainly a close above that, or even a monthly close above this monthly bullish pivot, which is this little dashed pink line up the top there, above 1280 zone, is going to open up higher for gold. But until then, the pressure remains down. So just looking at some of the other charts, let's have a look at there's the half-day chart here. Just having a look at the composition of the trend. In this study underneath here, we have uptrends across time, and underneath that is downtrends across time. So if I line up the current candle, we've got a half-day trend up count at 3. That's the 480 minute. But the downtrends, the daily count is still 2. So the downtrend is still dominating overall. So looking for failure here, but happy to admit that gold's going higher if we're back above this 1243 or 1242 zone early next week. So I hope that helps. There's been no outright daily buy or sell signal for us for a while, not since the high, in fact. So we're just watching and waiting really for gold. The expectation is that it could fall further before it switches into a multi-year rally at some stage. Either we get the closing low this year or next year, but it's not too far away. So I hope that helps.